wind is barbaric. Fucking camera. The wind is barbarically numbing. I don't think. I mean, it was windy before, but even like the bottom row is windy, and that never happened. I don't think I'm gonna pull up range. I will pull, but I'll give it a shot. Give it a try. Got a lot of steps. With my last attempt, dogs have gone usually between 160 and 180. I never pulled that 200 shot earlier. So, greatest moments in life dashed by bad camera play. Alright, be mine forever. I have a beat with this fucking dog. I hate people that think they have the dog too. What can you do, right? We'll go over. Pause like that. 190 feet. Yeah. Fucking right. You're outside. Okay, you got arched it. You're indoors. Well, okay, you got bounced. Well, okay, well, you know. Oh, you don't got a tape measure. Yeah, I didn't want to piss off the fucking police. Talk to myself, hopefully. I got a puck. Well, down 38. They went that way. Yeah, the two other guys. They went that way. Why I hate fucking. Alright. Let's get this circus over with. Okay, so there's my baseline right there, 20 feet beyond the line. So we got 20 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, and then here we are once again. Not a single shot below 150. As we got this one here, right here. We got this one right below 160, right here. We got this one right above 160. This one about 170, right here. Look how far away that is, folks. And then we've got these two at 180. Unfortunately, the wind picked up. But compare that to the last video. That was about the average of last video. Most of the darts ended up there. I just had a freak one that went 200. Enjoy.